Hey, what's going on? My name is Paul Farmer from paulgfarmer.com. And during this short video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to set up an online business in 1 day without spending a fortune. The truth of the matter is, what I'm going to share with you today, you could set up within an hour or less and be ready to go for less than $100. Okay, so I put together a short document that's going to outline 3 simple steps how you can get set up online in less than, I'm even going to say, an hour, and without spending more, like not even $100. Okay, so very first thing we want to go over, these are 3 steps. The very first thing is, first of all, you got to get started. You got to get started in an opportunity that is pre-done. Now, when I'm talking about being pre-done, I'm not saying everything is done for you, but I'm saying most of the things are done for you. So for example, you don't have to go out, and create your own products. You don't have to handle customer support. You don't have to handle payments, merchant accounts, any of that stuff. You don't want to have to deal with that. Instead, the only thing you really have to do, the only job you have to be into profit is you want to refer new customers. Everything else is put together. The product is put together, the compensation plan is put together, the payments are taken care of for you, the customer service is taken care of for you, and many, many other aspects that I'm not talking about right now. But everything, the servers, the the hosting, everything that is involved in a online business, what you really want, if you want to keep it low cost and you want to be able to do it fast, is you want it to be pre-done. And when you click the link right below this video, I actually do have a program, an online business that meets that standard, but I'm not done. Okay, so step 2, what we really want to have is we want to have a marketing system or systems in place, and preferably we would like to have it at no extra cost. So if you can get a marketing system that's going to do the telling and the selling for you about your product so you can refer more customers, and you could actually put that on almost autopilot, where you have new people coming and seeing your marketing system, going through your marketing system, that's going to make it very leveraged, and it's going to save you a whole lot of time where you don't have to go and create one yourself. You don't have to go and make the videos. You don't have to go and create the web pages or write the copy or any of that stuff. So it's always nice if you already have a marketing system in place. Now, I have been doing some type of online business for 8+ years, and I can tell you firsthand, when you don't have your own marketing system and you have to put the whole thing together, it is a bit of work. It is a bit of work. It is a lot of testing, and it's always nice to have something that's already in place. Step 3, and this is the final step, only 3 steps. Make sure there's plenty of support. Make sure there's plenty of support. So what I'm talking about, yes, there's support within the opportunity, but there's support within the organization, the membership, okay, the people within the community that are actually going out and referring customers. So you want to have, preferably you would like to have some marketing tools that are accessible. You would like to have proven marketing training, something that's simple that anybody can do. And you want to have many examples that the members are having success doing everything. So that's the 3rd step. There's really not a lot of steps. Now, I want to come back. I want to talk about this just a little bit, because this is probably one of the most important things when it comes to setting up your online business. Because the truth of the matter is, when you do a pre-done opportunity, like for example, when you click the link below this video, you're going to see the entire marketing system that we get without having to pay extra for. You're going to learn about our winning team. You're going to learn about the program. You're going to learn about its lucrative compensation plan and very leveraged compensation plan. but you're also going to learn, and that's great and all, but if you don't know how to market, if you don't know what to say to refer new customers, then that is where you're going to get stuck. That is where you're going to have some issues. That is where you're going to struggle getting into profit. So I think this is probably one of the most important things, because it's the skills that are going to pay. It's not so much the opportunity. Yes, the opportunity will pay you, but it's the skills that you acquire and the mindset that you acquire when you are plugged into a support system that provides the marketing training, that provides, with stories, countless stories of people having success, and so much more. That to me is the most important thing in my book, because there are plenty of online business opportunities that you could participate in, but if you don't have that foundation, if you don't learn simple skills, you will always be struggling to get into profit. It will always happen. So I do want to touch a little bit more on this. Okay, so right now, just to give you an idea of all the extras, all the team resources, all of the support we have, just right now we have a 21-day video challenge going on within our organization, within our winning team. And what this is basically every single day over 21 days, one of our leaders who is sharing his formula that he used to create 6 figures online the first time. Now he's done it more than once, and he's breaking it down step by step, making a video, walking everybody through exactly what to do to go and create their own videos so they can generate their own leads and grow their business. And this is the same formula. This is the same process that he followed to get him to 6 figures. So that, to me, is massive value, and that is only a tiny, tiny, tiny part of everything that we have access to from our team resources. Now, I also want to say this. I have my own little area as well, my own group, where I provide recorded training, and I do live training, where I teach a very simple formula, proven formula. I learned this from an 8-figure marketer, proven marketer, and it's very simple to do. It doesn't cost you anything extra. So there's no like advertising costs that you have to go and spend money on. So when I say you could start an opportunity for less than $100 and be profitable, you absolutely can when you click the link below, learn about what we are doing, and start participating. I do hope you got value from what I shared with you today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.